Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm assuming if you're watching this, you are graduating, so big congratulations to you. We're gonna go straight into this video. So I got my materials from Michael's, except this glue gun, which I think I got off of Amazon. I'm gonna try to find it and put it in the description box below. So I just went ahead and cut out this colorful piece of paper. And then I cut it around the cap, and then I cut the very middle of it. Like, I traced it in the circle of that little button part, and then I cut it out. It's really like uneven, but it doesn't really matter because your tassel is going on top of it anyway. But yeah, I skipped that part because it's pretty self-explanatory. And I just warmed up my glue gun and then tacked down each corner. You might, have a little stringy ends, which is kind of frustrating sometimes, but I mean, it's not a big deal. So I try not to put too much, but then you also want just enough for it to actually tack down. So now the paper is entirely laid down. You want to make sure that you line it up, just properly. Here I was making sure that my cap is facing the correct direction so that I can write the words properly. So I use kind of a straight edge to make sure that I'm actually putting down the letters in a straight line. This isn't necessary if you have a good eye, but I wanted to just, be absolutely sure. And here I'm not really tacking down the letters. I just kind of place them down, and then I'm going to make sure that they're positioned right. And here you can see that it's kind of crooked. So I went back and I was able to fix it because I didn't tack it down too hard. Then I just moved down the straight edge and used it as a ruler the entire time pretty much. So you want to try to make sure that your letters are equally spaced out and just in a straight line, just so that it looks neat. So the quote that I'm writing is, or not writing, but the quote that I'm going to have on my cap is, "She believed she could, so she did." That's been my mantra all throughout college, and it's my mantra all throughout life at this point. So now I'm going to use these shiny letters for the words that stick out the most. So you guys might notice that my background looks kind of like an office. This is actually my last day at work because this was the day before my graduation. So this is my last day in my office job at college. So yeah. Now I'm going to move on to the decorative. So I got some nursing uniform stuff because I'm going to nursing school, and some music notes because I'm a musician and a singer. So I wanted my whole cap to be surrounded around that in terms of the decorations. So I'm just tacking on all of my decorations in whatever pattern that's just coming to mind at the moment. I didn't really have a particular look that I was going for. I was kind of just going with the flow. Because, you know, this is arts and crafts, so there's no like straight way to do it. You kind of just have your own vision. Also, if you guys have any questions or comments, or you guys are interested in nursing, then you can definitely feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And this is the finished product. I put some on the bottom because it looked cute, and I actually am totally in love with it. All the high school, college, grad school, any age you are, all the graduates, a huge congratulations to you all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.